Hindi magsa-start yung freelancing ko kung wala si VA Training
Mm.
PH. Everything has shifted talaga. Not just my career, but yung quality ng life.
We have Michelle here from Batch.
101.
Before you joined the bootcamp, did you already have the vision, gusto ko maging isang VA?
Actually, wala talaga. Recently lang kasi napapagod na talaga ako sa work. At the same time, mother of 3 young boys. Sabi ko, ano kaya ako pwede kong gawin? Kasi yung oras ko talaga nauubos sa work.
Ano ba yung one thing na confused ka about, that's why you enrolled with a program?
Sabi actually din ng mga katrabaho ko, pwede kang mag-VA. Marami rin naging successful as a VA. Unti-unti ko na mag-search. Pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, from mall, from a store manager, magiging digital work na. Sabi mo, mag-hire ba sa akin?
Ang struggle mo is, feeling mo wala namang connection. Walang
Isa pa
connection
yun.
yung
Mm-mm.
current work mo into VA
Yes.
world. Paano ba siya magko-connect? Talaga bang kaya kong mag-transition? Before
Yes.
ba nag-enroll ka, meron ka bang mga pagdadalawang isip?
Nung una talaga, dami ko talaga pinano-coach na sobrang dami. Sabi ko, paano ako mag-uumpisa? Kahit may mga ganun, parang kulang eh. Iba yung may coach talaga. If may question, nandun kayo. Kaya nung nakita ko yung VA Training PH, then nakita ko may offer yung bootcamp. Sabi ko, ay, grab ko na to. Hindi naman siguro mabigat kung hindi sulit. Enroll na ako. Kaka-resign ko lang. So sabi ko, kailangan may gawin na ako.
And I can see na sobrang curious ka na tao. You enrolled with the bootcamp because you're looking for structure. I think one of the thing na you are looking for is also parang kasama.
Yes,
So,
coach. Kasi iba talaga may community. Ay, may support
diba?
system.
Now that you already enrolled with the bootcamp, ano yung mas naging klaro sa'yo after the lessons that you have watched?
Yung una, yung niche eh. Kasi, syempre coming from a store manager, hindi ko alam talaga kung ano yung offer ko. Iba yung merong nag-guide. Ito yung pwede mong ituro dahil dito ka galing. May mga transferable skills. Madami palang pwedeng i-offer kahit hindi related yung experience ko.
Natapos si Michelle ng bootcamp for 30 days. After 1 week, nag-start na siya nung after graduate program namin.
After few days, ayun na, meron nang pumansin. Doon ko na-secure yung first 2 clients ko sa CA camp na yun. As in, same day ako nag-apply. Then next day, yung isa nag-reply, nag-offer na agad. Then after 2 days, yung isa naman. Project-based parehas. Small task lang siya, pero hanggang ngayon, trying ko pa rin sila. Hinire niya ako as Community Engagement Manager.
When I heard that, Michelle, I was so blown away kasi rare lang yung dalawang client. And after mo nag-share, sobrang dami ding campers na parang na-inspire. Sobrang impactful na you are someone that really followed all of the steps.
Pag ginroto mo yung bootcamp na lessons, maraming opportunity. Ay, sabi ko, may pera rin pala mag-join ng mga groups.
How do you feel about yourself now compared to before?
Everything has shifted talaga siya. Not just my career, but yung quality ng life. Kasama ko yung mga anak ko. Before, I worked during holidays, weekends. Ngayon, kasama ko sila. Hindi tulad before holidays, nandun ako sa mall, nag-work. Minsan, 12-hour shift pa. Hindi ko na kailangan mamili between career and home. Which is, pwede ko na siyang pagsabayin. Freelancing and being a mother.
Yun yung pinaka the best part of being a freelancer. The feeling that you are there, witnessing how your kids grow up.
Kailangan talagang magkaroon na ng changes eh. Kasi priority talaga family.
An OFW, a mom of 3 kids. What will your advice for them?
Kung sa tingin nilang gusto nilang mag-change ng career, pwede. Tulad ko, based on my experience, talagang posible. At ang dami na rin tulad ko na na-change ng career. Walang age dyan. Ang kailangan lang talaga, tulungan mo yung sarili mo. Hindi pa pwedeng wala kang gawin. Kailangan mo pa rin tulungan yung sarili mo mag-aral, mag-upskill, pag-aralan yung mga kailangan mong gustong gawin, matutunan, at i-practice lahat ng mapag-aaralan. Kahit minsan nga ang tinitingnan na talaga ngayon ng mga clients, hindi yung experience mo eh, kung anong alam mong gawin at kaya mong i-offer sa kanila. Hindi na nila tinitingnan yung work experience mo before, kung ano man yung career mo, kung kaya mong gawin yung kailangan nilang tulong sa'yo, service na kailangan nila sa'yo. So, kailangan mag-aral, i-practice yung mga pinag-aaralan, at mag-upskill na mag-upskill.